Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the finger drawing mode on the Penup application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the three line at the upper left corner of the screen and go to the drawing option and tap to the settings button at the bottom of the page and find the finger drawing option and just tap to the white circle and new is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.